Have you received a massive electric bill this summer? With PG&E rates constantly going up, solar is helping homeowners save thousands of dollars a year in energy costs. We want to educate you on everything solar with our live event partnered with Keller Williams Realty on Wednesday, August 31st at 6 p.m. We will be covering how solar works from mounting the system on the roof to the inverters, solar panels, and everything in between, the cost benefits from investing in solar, answering questions like how does it save me money and how do I use the tax credit, live demonstrations of designing a solar system on a house. We'll be explaining our Aurora designing software, shade reports, sun hours, and code requirements, backup systems like energy storage and generators. We'll be talking about Generac, backup generator, Neovolta battery, and what solutions are best for specific scenarios. And we'll end with a Q&A session. We'll be giving away a $50 Amazon gift card to each homeowner that brings their PG&E electricity bill, so make sure to bring your bill. At the event, we will also be doing a drawing to give away 3 months of free electricity. Join us for this one-time solar workshop by registering your information below. We have 50 available seats and spots are filling up fast, so make sure you register right away.